Yeah, it's Kuala Lumpur. It's Kuala Lumpur. Yeah, it's it was dead because it got hot. But I was thinking of sitting somewhere. Huh? Because this time it's me asking for toilets. Because I think that juice of fruit is all I need in the morning. Yeah. Strangely, my system has been more active today than the other day. You see, yeah. Jesus, excursions. Sorry. It's almost like we need to choose which side we're walking on. Yeah. Just there's a couple to the right. It's German. And a German.
I hear many Germans in this area.
Because they're selling German newspapers there.
Every country kind of promotes a region.
And the kids. Sorry.
American club.
Yeah. Imagine coming here. Well, fortunately my mountain card works there. There's no crime that can be committed with it. There's no view here. Yeah, I'm happily, for this kind of environment of summer, when you think of that whatever I'm wearing here now costed more than all those 4 things. So you just captures I need to go left because that wall on the right, Mona Lisa. Hola, hola. I suspect that if you really want to shop, come to Los Castellanos for holiday. But for London, stay with friends. The bad thing, they have great quality anyway. But yeah, just especially those places where no one knows you. What do? You just yes, I really want to sit down and maybe this one could be a good thing. Or we go to the Stone Grill. Oh, let's go to the Stone Grill. That guy sitting there. The place belongs to him. But it's not in the shades. So you have to decide for yourself. Unless you get this table. That's covered. Bora Bora is covered.
Go on the top. You can walk on the top there.
You think? Let's go.
Is that a table? The shade there on the right. The right.
Here.
In front of you. There is a table and shade.
Yeah, but
It's maybe mainly set up for dining.
if you're not bothered, let's.
So you can walk up here, no? No.
Yeah, we can.